When Kuwait Finance House opened 40 years ago, we were one of the first Islamic finance specialists in the world. Since then, we have been very successful, expanding into Turkey, Bahrain, Malaysia, and Germany. We continue to expand to this day, and it has always been driven and supported by the use of the latest technologies.
We began our digital transformation journey when the senior executive management of the group have decided that we need to embark on digital banking. And from there on, they've entrusted the team to actually find the best solution for the bank and actually take it forward. We all know as digital banking has to start somewhere. Similar to all financial institutions, we had a lot of security concerns about the cloud. However, following a visit to Seattle by myself and the group CEO, we met with the Microsoft Cloud team, and they've actually explained how it works and the security. We were intrigued to actually take it forward and start implementing 2017, 2 years ahead. And when we came back, early 2017, we started deploying Office 365. It's proved to be the best collaboration tool across the group, and the benefits were reaped very quickly, especially with Yammer and all the other tools that we have.
The story of Kuwait Finance House staff reaction is very interesting too. First, Office 365 was only for small pilot group of employees, but in the initial reaction was so positive that we rolled it out for everyone. We had very strong positive interest. People enjoyed the social nature of the productivity environment. For example, we regularly see all levels of staff asking questions of top management and getting answers. I do it myself. Cloud is important in our move into digital banking, but we see it as a tool of our digital transformation journey, not a destination. Due to regulatory and compliance reasons, we will always be very protective of our client data as a bank, and it will always stay on our premises. But at the same time, we see great value in cloud, and indeed the whole Microsoft stack of technology. We see huge potential for it as a way to simplify infrastructure and reduce duplication of resources for our subsidiaries.
If I could give advice to someone interested in digital transformation, my advice is partner with Microsoft. It is not about the technology. It cannot be. It is about the quality and depth of the partner you work with to implement your digital vision. We made a strategic decision to partner with the best and the market leader in this field. That is Microsoft, and we are extremely glad we did. The commitment to help us with our journey is as important and valuable as the tools and solutions we are being offered from them, such as Office 365, Azure, and Power BI.
Where do we want to be in end of 2018? We want to be a truly digital bank and using business intelligence, CRM at every branch, for chatbot for our online customers, and using Azure as a common platform for us. We were different and unique in our approach when we started, and we aim to continue just as that in our digital transformation journey.